Hey everyone, welcome back to Movies Allies. Today we will be discussing the possible villain for Black Panther movie Namor. Avengers Endgame gave us a hint regarding Namor, but Russo brothers denied that. According to Russos, this scene was not referenced to Namor, but now we have received some more reports stating that Namor will be next face-off for Wakanda. Before we go into further details, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are a Marvel fan, be sure to subscribe because we always talk about Marvel here. So now Namor is more than confirmed to be the main villain in next Black Panther movie. A lot of insiders and reporters said that director Ryan Coogler was always looking for Namor to be next villain of the movie. Ryan Coogler wanted Namor to be the villain of Black Panther 2 even before Chadwick Boseman passed away. The reason why he always wanted Namor to be next villain was because of heated rivalry between Black Panther and of course Namor. Namor, the Atlantic warrior, and Black Panther had this rivalry from very start. In the comics, Namor and T'Challa worked together and they took over some criminals of both cities. But later Namor found some Wakandian criminals in Atlantis and he took it as a challenge. Since then, these two kept invading each other after Shuri with some Wakandan soldiers attacked in Atlantic and killed some of their people. It was announced as open warfare between these two cities. Another reason why he can end up being the villain for Black Panther Wakanda Forever is that MCU is always planting his character from very beginning. Yes, we have already seen some teasers regarding Namor in previous movies and that confirms him as the main villain. The first teaser goes all the way back to Iron Man 2 where Nick Fury confronted Tony Stark. We had some random circles on Nick Fury map screen on the ocean and that circle was not random, it was representing Namor city Atlantis, and there was also a circle on the place where Wakanda is right now. So Marvel is teasing these two countries to be a rival from a very long time. After that, in Avengers Endgame we saw underwater earthquake reference from Okai. She said we are handling the earthquake by not handling it. So they did not got involved with Atlantis at all. Maybe in the past Atlantis and Wakanda both had a big war and Wakandians left Atlantis on their own after that war. And same goes for Atlantis too, they also left Wakandians on their own. They will not fight each other nor they will help each other. So as Namor has more and more chances to be next villain and some legit sources have already nodded their heads for this rumor. The best thing is that we will get this Namor's introduction in MCU as the first mutant in MCU because Namor is mutant in comics and that's how he will debut it in MCU too. And Marvel had plans even in initial Iron Man movies for mutants. We actually had a deleted scene from Iron Man 1 movie where Nick Fury talked about mutants. He literally used the word mutant when Marvel didn't have rights for mutants at all. If Marvel would have used that scene in the actual movie, Marvel would have been sued by Fox very hard. Marvel might have gone bankrupt by just using the word mutant. But now Kevin Feige big plan was all successful. Marvel has rights for mutants right now and they can introduce Namor in Black Panther 2 with no problem at all. Right now there's not much of a big season where you need to introduce Namor in Black Panther Wakanda Forever because right now with Chadwick Boseman gone in MCU 2, T'Challa is kinda dead. Marvel will be continuing the story without recasting him and Shuri might become next Black Panther. And T'Challa vs Shuri as Black Panther might not be that interesting. It was supposed to be Battle of Kings, not King versus Queen. But if Killmonger comes back and he becomes King of Wakanda as Black Panther, then it will be really interesting to see Namor in Black Panther Wakanda Forever. So how much excited are you to see Namor in MCU? Do tell me in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy and peace.